All right, hello, good everyone. Welcome back. So, have you ever wondered, you're trying to access a website and you're getting an error message telling you that this is not available in your region? So, what do you do as an IT personnel? Let's dive right in. Having the message that sorry, you've been blocked, and this is because of geolocation. So, what I do is I download an extension called VPN. And it is right here. So search this on Google VPN, download this extension, and once you do, you don't necessarily need to log in. I come here, select the location, the free locations I want to use, and for instance I have the US, say Virginia, and select that. My IP address has been changed. I'm going to turn this on, and once I do turn this on, right, once it's on, I can refresh this page and boom, I'm in. Follow for more tips. Thank you.